top 20 highest paying programming language jobs in 2021. What salary can you earn as a programmer, developer in 2021? How much does a computer programmer make on average? In this video, we'll explore a list of the highest paying programming language jobs in 2021. Please subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. Advanced programmers are among the highest paid technology professionals on the market today. According to the job search and recruitment website ZipRecruiter.com, as of June 1, 2021, the average annual pay for a computer programmer in the United States is more than $65,000 a year. According to the website for job search and recruitment, Hired.com, among the most in-demand programmers on the market are Go programming language experts, while Scala programmers are the highest paid, according to ZipRecruiter.com. Let's look at a list of the 20 most paid programming language experts in 2021. Number 20. Julia. Julia is a high-level, high-performance, dynamic programming language. While it is a general-purpose language and can be used to write any application, many of its features are well suited for numerical analysis and computational science. As of June 2, 2021, the average annual pay for Julia programming in the United States is $76,700 a year, approximately $37 an hour. This is the equivalent of $1,476 per week or $6,400 per month. Here are some free online resources for learning the Julia programming language: julialang.org, juliaacademy.com, coursera.org, classcentral.com, udemy.com, youtube.com. Number 19. PHP. PHP is a general-purpose scripting language that is especially suited for web development and can be embedded into HTML. The best things about using PHP are that it is extremely simple for a newcomer, but offers many advanced features for a professional programmer. As of June 2, 2021, the average annual pay for a PHP developer in the United States is $86,000 a year, approximately $41 an hour. This is the equivalent of $1,654 per week or $7,000 per month. Check out these free online resources to learn PHP, learn-php.org, w3schools.com, udemy.com, learnshinyminutes.com, codecademy.com, coursera.org, edx.org, youtube.com. Number 18. Dart developer. Dart is a client-optimized language for fast apps on any platform. Dart is free and open source. As of June 2, 2021, the average annual pay for a Dart developer in the United States is $87,800 a year, approximately $42 an hour. This is the equivalent of $1,689 per week or $7,300 per month. The following are some free online resources for learning Dart: Dart.dev, Udemy.com, ClassCentral.com, courses.learncodeonline.in. Number 17. HTML, CSS Developer. The Hypertext Markup Language or HTML is the standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. Cascading Style Sheets, CSS, is a style sheet language used for describing the presentation of a document written in a markup language such as HTML. As of June 2, 2021, the average annual pay for an HTML CSS developer in the United States is $87,600 a year, approximately $42 an hour. This is the equivalent of $1,685 per week or $7,300 per month. Free online resources to learn HTML, CSS, are Udemy.com, Codecademy.com, YouTube.com, Coursera.org, edX.org, Simplilearn.com, W3Schools.com, Educative.io, LearnShinyMinutes.com. Number 16. .NET. The .NET is a Microsoft software framework that runs primarily on Microsoft Windows. It is one of the few programming languages which eliminates complex coding. It comes with a big class library called Framework Class Library that allows it to interact with a variety of programming languages. As of June 2, 2021, the average annual pay for a .NET developer in the United States is $90,940 a year, approximately $44 an hour. This is the equivalent of $1,749 per week or a bit more than $7,500 per month. To learn .NET, have a look at these no-cost online resources: .NET.Microsoft.com, Udemy.com, edX.org, Codecademy.com, Coursera.org, LinkedIn.com/learning, YouTube.com, LearnShinyMinutes.com, LearningTree.com. Number 15. R. R is a programming language and free software environment for statistical computing and graphics. The R language is widely used among statisticians and data miners for developing statistical software and data analysis. As of June 2, 2021, the average annual pay for an R programmer in the United States is almost $93,076 a year, which works out to be approximately $45 an hour. This is the equivalent of $1,790 per week or a bit more than $7,700 per month. Here are some free online resources to learn our language: Coursera.org, edX.org, Udemy.com, Datacamp.com, Cyclismo.org, FreeCodeCamp.org, LearnShinyMinutes.com, YouTube.com, Codecademy.com. Number 14. Go. Go is an open-source programming language that makes it easy to build simple, reliable, and efficient software. Go programming language was developed by Google. It is used for projects within a number of well-known world-class services: SoundCloud, Netflix, Dropbox. As of June 2, 2021, the average annual pay for a Go programmer in the United States is $100,000 a year, approximately $48 an hour. This is the equivalent of $1,926 per week or $8,300 per month. The following are some free online resources for learning Google Go programming: golang.org, godart.org, tor.golang.org, coursera.org, youtube.com, github.com, udemy.com, codecademy.com. Number 13. SQL. Structured query language is a domain-specific language used in programming and designed for managing data held in a relational database management system. SQL is particularly useful in handling structured data, relational database. As of June 2, 2021, the average annual pay for a SQL programmer in the United States is $101,000 per year, or about $49 per hour. This is the equivalent of $1,948 per week or $8,400 per month. If you want to learn SQL for free, on the following links you can find some courses: udemy.com, codecademy.com, youtube.com, coursera.org, edx.org, simplilearn.com, datacamp.com, educative.io, learnshinyminutes.com, yourdatateacher.com. Number 12. C++, C. C++ is a popular general-purpose programming language, used to create computer programs. The language has expanded significantly over time, and modern C++ now has object-oriented, generic, and functional features. As of June 2, 2021, the average annual pay for a C++ developer in the United States is a bit more than $103,000 a year, which works out to be approximately $50 an hour. This is the equivalent of $1,994 per week, or a bit more than $8,600 per month. Online courses where you can learn C++ for free are w3schools.com, learncpp.com, educative.io, allison.com, udemy.com, udacity.com, coursera.org, learnshinyminutes.com, youtube.com, tutorialspoint.com, codecademy.com. Number 11. Java. One of the most widely used and profitable programming languages is Java. More than 9 million developers use Java, mostly for client-server web applications. As of June 2, 2021, the average annual pay for a Java developer in the United States is around $106,000 a year, approximately $51 an hour. This is the equivalent of $2,035 per week or $8,800 per month. Free online resources to learn Java are udemy.com, codecademy.com, youtube.com, coursera.org, edx.org, simplilearn.com, w3schools.com, educative.io, learnshinyminutes.com. Number 10. Ruby Developer. Ruby is an interpreted, high-level, general-purpose programming language. It supports multiple programming paradigms, including procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. As of June 2, 2021, the average annual pay for a Ruby developer in the United States is around $106,000 a year, approximately $51 an hour. This is the equivalent of $2,043 per week or a bit more than $8,800 per month. Online courses to learn Ruby for free are LearnRubyOnline.org, FlatironSchool.com, Educative.io, Allison.com, Udemy.com, Udacity.com, Coursera.org, LearnShinyMinutes.com, YouTube.com, Tutorialspoint.com, LearnVern.com, FullStackAcademy.com. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Number 9. Python. Python is a popular high-level programming language for general-purpose programming. Python is an interpreted language with a syntax that allows programmers to express concepts in fewer lines of code than languages like C++ or Java. As of June 2, 2021, the average annual pay for a Python developer in the United States is a bit less than $112,000 a year, approximately $54 an hour. This is the equivalent of $2,152 per week or around $9,300 per month. Online resources to learn Python for free are LearnPython.org, FreeCodeCamp.org, w3schools.com, Udemy.com, Codecademy.com, Coursera.org, edx.org, Educative.io, YouTube.com, LearnShinyMinutes.com, YourDataTeacher.com, CognitiveClass.ai. Number 8. C#. C# was developed around 2000 by Microsoft as part of its .NET initiative and later in 2003 approved as an international standard. The most recent version is 9.0, which was released in 2020 in .NET 5.0 and included in Visual Studio 2019 version. As of June 2, 2021, the average annual pay for a C# .NET developer in the United States is around $113,000 a year, approximately $54 an hour. This is the equivalent of $2,172 per week or $9,400 per month. Here you can find several free online resources to learn C#. .net.microsoft.com/learn/C#, Coursera.org, edx.org, udemy.com, datacamp.com, cyclismo.org, freecodecamp.org, learnshinyminutes.com, youtube.com, codecademy.com. Number 7. JavaScript. JavaScript is high-level, often just-in-time compiled, and multi-paradigm. It has curly bracket syntax, dynamic typing, prototype-based object orientation, and first-class functions. Alongside HTML and CSS, JavaScript is one of the core technologies of the World Wide Web. As of June 2, 2021, the average annual pay for a JavaScript developer in the United States is around $113,000 a year, which works out to be approximately $54 an hour. This is the equivalent of $2,175 per week or $9,400 per month. Free courses to learn JavaScript. You can find it learn-js.org, teachwithepi.com, codecademy.com, youtube.com, udacity.com, coursera.org, edx.org, educative.io, w3schools.com, freecodecamp.org. Number 6. Swift. Swift is a general-purpose, multi-paradigm, compiled programming language developed by Apple Inc. and the open-source community. Swift was developed as a replacement for Apple's earlier programming language Objective-C. As of June 2, 2021, the average annual pay for a Swift developer in the United States is around $115,000 a year, approximately $55 an hour. This is the equivalent of $2,211 per week or around $9,500 per month. Online resources to learn Swift for free are codecademy.com, youtube.com, udacity.com, coursera.org, edx.org, medium.com, classcentral.com, developer.apple.com. Number 5. Perl. Perl is a family of two high-level, general-purpose, interpreted, dynamic programming languages. Perl was originally developed as a general-purpose Unix scripting language to make report processing easier. As of June 2, 2021, the average annual pay for a Perl developer in the United States is a bit more than $118,000 a year, approximately $57 an hour. This is the equivalent of $2,276 per week or almost $10,000 per month. Online courses to learn for free Perl are learn-perl.org, educative.io, allison.com, udemy.com, udacity.com, coursera.org, learnshinyminutes.com, youtube.com, tutorialspoint.com. Number 4. Objective-C. The Objective-C programming language is used to develop apps in the Apple ecosystem. Apple's main programming language for the OS X and iOS operating systems was Objective-C. Despite the emergence of a new programming language called Swift, the Objective-C language is still a popular choice among developers. As of June 2, 2021, the average annual pay for an Objective-C in the United States is a bit more than $124,000 a year, which works out to be approximately $60 an hour. This is the equivalent of $2,398 per week or around $10,000 per month. Free online courses to learn Objective-C, youtube.com, udacity.com, learnshinyminutes.com, coursera.org, raywendelich.com, developer.apple.com, medium.com. Number 3. Kotlin. Kotlin is a modern statically typed programming language used by over 60% of professional Android developers that helps boost productivity, developer satisfaction, and code safety. Kotlin is designed to interoperate fully with Java, and the JVM version of Kotlin's standard library depends on the Java class library. As of June 2, 2021, the average annual pay for a Kotlin in the United States is a bit more than $136,000 a year, approximately $66 an hour. This is the equivalent of $2,626 per week or $11,000 per month. To learn online for free, programming language Kotlin, visit developer.android.com, kotlinlang.org, udemy.com, udacity.com, coursera.org, learnshinyminutes.com, youtube.com, w3schools.com. Number 2. TypeScript. TypeScript is a programming language developed and maintained by Microsoft. It is a strict syntactical superset of JavaScript and adds optional static typing to the language. As TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript, existing JavaScript programs are also valid TypeScript programs. TypeScript may be used to develop JavaScript applications for both client-side and server-side execution. As of June 2, 2021, the average annual pay for the TypeScript jobs category in San Francisco is around $141,000 a year, approximately $68 an hour. This is the equivalent of $2,715 per week or more than $11,000 per month. You can learn TypeScript online for free at typescriptlang.org, codecademy.com, udemy.com, youtube.com, learnshinyminutes.com, coursera.org, educative.io. Number 1. Scala. Scala combines object-oriented and functional programming in one concise, high-level language. Scala's static types help avoid bugs in complex applications. And its JVM and JavaScript runtimes let you build high-performance systems with easy access to huge ecosystems of libraries. As of June 2, 2021, the average annual pay for the Scala jobs category in the United States is around $141,000 a year. That works out to be approximately $68 an hour. This is the equivalent of $2,727 per week or more than $11,000 per month. Some online resources to learn Scala for free are datacamp.com, coursera.org, youtube.com, learnshinyminutes.com, udemy.com, educative.io. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share.